gusto, peran po ng 20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Fast. So please welcome Desiree Del Mar.
Yeah!
Anong yung naalala pag pinag-uusapan ng Tabing Ilog?
You know, honestly, when we were doing Tabing Ilog back in the day, we never really thought it just worked because we were all friends. So it's like every Wednesday we would go to Pagsanhan and then magte-taping kami, pero wala, parang outing lang ng barkada. And I also remember before, since maaga yung call time namin, we would all meet. Everybody would all meet at Shell on South Superhighway. Tapos sabay-sabay kami pupunta sa taping. And pagka napack up na yung isa, sabay-sabay kami nag-aantay kami lahat. Sabay-sabay kami umuwi.
Nakikita-kita kayo? I mean,
after, when Tabing Ilog was done kasi, we would have reunions, like we would eat out, have dinner.
everybody would attend?
Yes, everybody
Including Paula?
Yes. Everybody was there.
Kasi si Paula hindi ko nababalitaan.
Yeah, pero kasi hindi namin siya parang na-continue. But of course, like now and then, magkakamustahan kami. And it's like, no time has passed at all.
Galing.
Yeah.
Ayun ni Boom, you were together what? Naging girlfriend-boyfriend 2015?
2012.
2012?
Yes.
Okay,
and
then you
we
got
got
married.
2018.
And then,
And then we had our son,
COVID.
Alexander Sebastian, during the pandemic, 2021. He was born in 2021.
right. Wait, iba na eh. Iba na yung vibe, di ba?
Yeah.
Paano ka nabago ng marriage at ng iyong baby?
Mas naging mellow ako.
Mellow, you're saying dati you were loud?
Loud, yeah. Mas naging mellow ako. Tsaka, I found out na, kasi before I was so impatient. Patience now is truly a virtue. Kasi talagang, wala eh. Parang, nag-step in na yung pagiging mommy ko, pagiging mother ko.
Being married to Boom, kumusta kayo?
Ano kami, para kaming mag-best friend kasi. Ever since. And tsaka, we also laid out, before we actually, really got serious and everything. From the very beginning, we laid out, our everything. So parang, kung may problema tayo, mag-uusap tayo.
Meron kayong ganun?
Ito boy, never kami nag-aaway. Can you believe it?
Tabing ilog, tabing dagat.
Tabing ilog.
Batang Riles, batang hamog.
Batang ilog.
Christmas, New Year.
Christmas.
Hot mom, cool mom.
Cool mom.
Happy wife, sexy wife.
Pwede both?
Artistang nandigaw sa'yo, ilan? Tuwing kailan ka pinakamaganda? Tuwing kailan pinaka-hot si Boom?
Every day, every time, every single second.
Tuwing kailan ka naiinis kay Boom?
Never.
Oh, lights on or lights off? Happiness or chocolate?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness.
Every day. It's a good time.
Your Christmas wish. Ano ito?
I just wanna just be happy. And I mean, I already am. And I'm very content. So I just ask for the blessing of the Lord.
Yeah.
Tito Boy, I know that you're very happy. I just wish you more blessings and God bless your health and enjoy the rest of the holiday season. It's been so long din kasi, so it's nice to actually see Tito Boy again in a different station. It's always been fun. I mean, hindi ako mahilig talaga sa interview, pero pagdating kay Tito Boy, go ako anytime.